What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to be taking a very close look at the 2019 Australian Emu coin, which I recently unboxed here on my channel. And a big thanks to those of you that watched the video and commented in the video. Because of you commenting, you actually alerted me that two of the coins that I have here are errors. That's right, I'll say that again. The Perth Mint has made a mistake minting the Australian Emu from 2019, and luckily for me, of the three coins that I picked up, two of them are errors. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to take a closer look at these coins right now. So let's buckle up and let's do this thing. Alrighty, I recently unboxed these coins and I'll be honest with you, I was unaware that there was even an error within this series. So with that being said, I think it was one Grizzman had commented down below in my previous video and let me know that I received an error coin, which I was like, wait, what? So I went and looked and did a little bit of research, and I saw the one Grizzman posted a video about it and Silver Wolverine posted a video about it. And I'll show you here, we'll do a close up on this, and I want you to zoom in on these. And I want you to take a very close look at this. Let's just call it the emu's third leg. Can you see that little third leg there? It might not show up too well on camera, but we're gonna get as close as we can. Now look at the coin here on the left, that third leg. Same shimmer and shine, that proof-like finish as the two legs before it. Now on this one here, we'll take a close look at it. You can see that this is frosted back here, as it should be, not proofed out. So we'll take a closer look at the other one here. These two both error coins, and the way that we know they're errors is if we get really close here, you can see that the leg is now, well, it's not a leg, guys. This is actually the tree behind it. If you take a close look, you can see that there's a tree coming up behind it, but that tree is frosted. It is not proof. You see what I'm saying? It doesn't have that mirror finish like the emu does. It's frosted back there. So the tree should also be frosted. And these two coins right here, the trees are proofed out. They are mirror-like finish. They are not frosted like this one. You can see here, this is a frosted tree trunk, tree stem. So very cool. If you're not aware, the Silver Emu coins, they do have an error here. I looked these guys up on eBay. Each of these error coins are selling for about $100 a pop, which is phenomenal. That is awesome. One of these coins basically covers the three of my coins. So if you haven't picked up the Australian Emu, I picked mine up from Modern Coin Mart. Luckily for me, these were the coins that they sent me. I know a lot of people had commented and said that like they were expecting the mints or the dealers to kind of hoard them for themselves, but I don't know how well this error is even known. I don't know if very many people are aware of this. I mean, maybe I've been living in the dark for the past couple of weeks while people have been talking about the emu. I know I've been pretty busy lately, but typically these kind of things you hear all around, and I haven't heard anything about the emu other than in the comments, which triggered me to go watch the Grizzman's video and Silver Wolverine. So big thanks to you guys for letting me know that some of the coins that I got are a little bit more valuable than I originally anticipated for. And if you're looking to pick these up, I do believe they're still available from Modern Coin Mart. That's why I picked mine up. They do come with the capsule. There is no minimum purchase amount to get these shipped to you. Shipping is always free, and I have to say it, no, they are not sponsoring this video. They're not paying me to say any of this stuff. I just wanted to let you guys know if you're looking to pick up these Australian emus while they're still out there, it looks like the errors are still being sent out, so you have a good shot at getting one of these error coins. And what you're looking for, again, before I let you go here, this third leg is what people are calling it. It's actually the tree behind it. The error coin has a proof-like finish on the tree trunk, whereas the original, the one that it's intended to be, is just supposed to be frosted like that. So if you're looking to pick them up, again, moderncoinmart.com, but that's gonna do it for me in this video. If you wanna see more videos like this, make sure you put your comments down below. Click that subscribe button and make sure you have the bell icon checked off so you can be alerted when I do new videos and when I go live, which I do every single Wednesday at 7 o'clock Eastern. I give away loads of cool silver prizes, lots of currency from around the world. We even do a few auctions. It's a cool hang. So that's it, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.